Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you guys how to keep track of manual transactions inside of Fina. So if you are unable to connect a bank account or you live in a region that is outside of where we support at the moment, you can essentially keep a list of your transactions manually and then those will populate into Fina. So there's a couple ways we could go about doing this, but the very first one that I'm sharing here today and what we want to start with is connecting a Google Sheet that has a list of all your transactions, and you can keep up with the transactions on the Google Sheet side, but if you still want to get the value out of Fina, those will all populate into Fina, and you can essentially keep the records on your end on Google Sheets, and they'll populate in automatically into Fina. So I'm going to share with you guys how to do this today. So inside of Fina, if you come in here to the accounts area, you click add account. You'll just add a manual account. You can put the name, institution name, the currency, what type of account it is, the balance, and then you'll link your Google Sheet ID here that has your list of transactions. So we felt like this would be the easiest way to allow our users who don't have access to specific bank accounts to keep those records over time and then still get the full value out of Fina. So let me walk you guys through exactly how to do this. So if you come into your Fina account, you click on profile, you'll see this connect Google spreadsheet down here. It's basically just authorizing with your Google account. So whichever Google account you have, you'll just click authorize here. I'm not going to do it because I already have this account authorized. Once you have that set up, you'll be able to copy one of our templates. So we do have a template available for you guys. You're going to want to use this exact template because we need the data to be in a specific format so that it links and is showing up accurately on our end. So this template will be available. You'll just click File, Make a Copy, because this is a view-only version. And yeah, you'll have your very own version of this. And you can basically add all of your transactions here. So the date range is going to be in the format of year, month, day, just to keep it in line with our records. Then you can put the transaction name, the merchant, the type, which is the category. You can put the amount. Make sure that with the amount, if it's an outflow or an expense, you put a negative number. If it's an inflow or an income, you put a positive number. You can put the currency code, and then you can put the city and the region as well. You don't have to put these things. If you leave them blank, they just won't populate on our end. The city and the region, for example, we do have blocks that are like map based inside of Fina. So if you don't have these or you don't want to put them, no big deal. However, if you do, you'll be able to get some extra data. So that is the gist of the transaction template. Again, you'll click File, Make a Copy. I've already done this for this demo. So as you guys can see here, here's my copy of transactions template. I've already authorized my Google account within Fina, and then I can come in here and just start adding these new transactions. And so whether I want to take my bank statement at the end of the month and add them into here, or if I want to just go line item by line item as I'm spending to keep up with it more consistently, I can do that as well. So as you can see, I put some transactions in here for wizard beard, wizard wand, wizard staff, merchant Amazon, type clothings, amount, and then the currency code. I didn't put any city or region here. So what I need to do now is I need to take the Google Sheets ID from here and then put that into Fina inside of the manual account area. So if I come over here and I just click on the link at the top, you'll actually be able to see that the Google Sheets ID is right after this little thing that's /D there. So you'll actually just copy that code. You don't have to have that last little part. So you copy that little code there. That is your Google Sheet ID. If you need help finding that, I can point that out again for you, or just shoot me a message. But you don't even have to share this publicly. This is a private list of your transactions. So for the utmost security, you've already authenticated your account within Fina. You can simply come in and take that code. So if I come in here, I go to test, my little test Google Sheets. I click edit account. I've already added this specific transaction Google Sheet ID here. Again, you just need that ID code, nothing else. So that ID is going to be in the link every single time. You'll just take that ID code and you'll click save. And then once you come into transactions, you will be able to see, we do the current month. It looks like I have 3 uncategorized. Okay, so these ones right here, I have already added these and was changing the categories around. But as you'll see here, we have the wizard beard, the wizard wand, and then on another date down here, we have the wizard staff. So you can come in here, you can do the same things you could with any other Fina transactions. You can change the categories, you can set rules on top of them. They're going to function the same way as they do inside of Fina with anything else. The nice part about this is, again, if you come into your blocks and you wanted to get the reporting use out of Fina, you're still going to be able to see everything added there the same way you would with any of your other transactions. So hopefully that makes sense and that helps. That's the best way to keep a log of manual transactions if you're unable to connect your bank account. And yeah, if you guys enjoy, let us know. We're going to keep adding little Easter eggs and features like this all the time to make it easier and easier for you guys to track your finances. So stay tuned and we'll see you guys on the other side. Peace.